Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best, y'all, hatch green chili chicken enchiladas, y'all. And you know, after Thanksgiving, you're over the meat and potatoes and stuff. We always do Mexican food for Christmas. This year we're doing chicken enchiladas that are so easy. Let's go. So I am starting with rotisserie chicken. So this will go under the rotisserie chicken playlist. So Costco, make it happen. Then I have some green chilies that I had roasted, but you can also use the can of green chilies if hatch chilies are out of season. Some roasted onions that I did stovetop, and then some chicken broth, some minced garlic, sour cream, a can of cream of chicken, some flour and Sazon, and then some tortillas that you can do yellow or white, but I love yellow. And then I also have a pepper jack blend along with some cumin, creole seasoning, and some pepper. So I am gonna first start with blending my peppers and onions. And so these peppers, Nika, sorry y'all. I get these peppers during the Hatch Festival. And if you're in Texas, they have them every year, and we had it up here. And so get those peppers, honey, and put them in the freezer. They are amazing. Nothing beats a roasted Hatch pepper. And so I'm just gonna put in a little bit of oil and then just warm them up just a little bit, and then add a little bit of garlic, and then this is going to start our seasoning for our chicken. And I'm going to remove part of it because we're going to save some of it for the sauce, and then the rest, as you can see, I'm going to cook my chicken in it. And the seasoning is super simple. This is just my go-to. I do creole, the pepper, everything will be in the description box with the measurements, but you can adjust the flavors and seasonings that you want according to your taste. But I mean, this is just a guaranteed savory, delicious chicken blend. I just, you know, there you go. So add a little bit of broth, and then I put it in a side bowl, and then we're going to start on our sauce. So I'm going to put the peppers back into that same skillet, and then I'm going to add in my soup mix. And you can do, again, cream mushroom or what have you, but this gives you that creaminess. And so I'm just going to mix this all up. But while I do that, use this opportunity to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much to those who have already subscribed to my channel. I mean, the channel is growing day by day. I appreciate you guys so much, and shout out to my fellow creators. Hey y'all. So I'm just going to spoon a couple of ladles of that sauce into the chicken along with a little bit of cheese, which is going to create like a little binding agent. And then the corn tortillas, I've cooked stovetop. Well, actually my oldest did. Thank you, girl. And then I am just going to put a couple of spoonfuls in the bottom of a pan, and then I am going to start to roll them. So just put a little dab of sauce, put some of that filling, and then roll and put seam side down, and there you go. Super easy, you guys. And I'm telling you, go ahead and put a little toast on your tortillas. It makes a significant difference. So I highly recommend you do that. Look at that, y'all. And then I'm just gonna spoon some sauce on top, and then top it with some of that pepper jack cheese. Any kind of cheese will work. And then because I'm using shredded cheese, I'm gonna put foil on it. But look at this, you guys. Super gooey. Look at that bubbly goodness. But hold on now, look at this, you guys. So good, y'all. And there you go, that creamy sauce, those peppers, and they're not spicy, y'all, because I'm a punk, but it is so good. That flavor profile, woo. And there you go. Hold on now, let me let you get that bite. Hold on, look at that cheese pool, y'all. So good. Take that bite. There you go, baby. So try this recipe out. Do a little something different for the holidays. And hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.